No, this is a case where your lordship will decide whether concurrence of the Union of India was taken for an agreement between the contractors and the state of West Bengal.
It is not necessary at all.
That is necessary. That is to be
It is
decided.
not. That ought to have been taken by the center at the time of entering into the agreement. We have completed the job. We have supplied the materials out of our own
Lord,
pocket.
kindly direct the state to file a report.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Lord, I appear for Union of India.
But I am for the petitioner in this matter. Now, this is with regard to the non-payment of dues for the work we have carried out in execution of the Manrega projects.
Yes.
Now, our claim is against the state government. State government will not have engaged us. They are liable to pay us. The fight between the center and the state will not is a different issue.
Yes.
That cannot will not come in the way of releasing our dues.
That's true, Manoj, but I submitted that if that is the submission of Mr. Bhattacharya, he has no grievance against the Union of India. It's a matter related to agreement between the present lead petitioners and the state of West Bengal. Therefore, this order which your lordship has been passed, pleased to pass, asking us to file a report, that has to be recalled.
And who is appearing for the
No, that order was passed because the state said that they are dependent on the center.
Scheme is governed by the
And
central government.
where is the application filed before the appellate or the appellate court?
Lord, yes, this is the application. Actually, the division bench dealing to all these matters and placed it before the single bench.
Therefore, my lord is not will not
Code number one.
depart from hearing the matter on merit.
Code number one. This is an application where the state of West Bengal has filed the application I submitted for grant and release of the arrears. This is being heard by the division bench. It has been fixed again. This was heard and again fixed.
But the division bench was very categorical, saying that our applications will not dealing from the matter because
Yes, I
our
am
prayers.
submitting that.
Yes, therefore, the lordship has no difficulty in not proceeding with the matter.
Let the state of West Bengal file a report first. Then we shall give our.
I don't know Lord, why the center and state is not fighting each other and
case, you have no
depriving,
grievance against the central government.
depriving us.
The government, without payment from the central, how come we disburse the amount, the due amounts?
The state did not say that you are engaged subject to payment of center. This is the obligation of the state.
Lord, this is a case where your lordship will decide whether concurrence of the Union of India was taken for an agreement between the contractors and the state of West Bengal.
It is not necessary at all.
That is necessary. That is to be
It is
decided.
not. That ought to have been taken by the center at the time of entering into the agreement. We have completed the job. We have supplied the materials out of our own
Lord,
pocket.
kindly direct the state to file a report.
Okay.
At this moment, the central government will file the
Okay,
report. Why he is not paying the money?
Just a minute. File the report. First, you file the report by way of an affidavit. Serve
Yes.
the copy to the Union of India and the petitioner. If this court find that you have taken that plea, whatever, then the court will pass. it.
Exactly.
Lordship will be-
Let you file the report.
Yes, kindly pass that order.
Morning, yes, my lord. As I have mentioned during the time of mentioning, my lord, my team matter has been on the same footings, my lord. That has been dealing from court number one, my lord. But that is not listed before this. But the same matter, my lord. The dealing, my lord, the order is here with me. I went to the office of the OSD, but they have said to mention this matter before your lordship.
So let this matter be listed, but that should not stand in the way of not passing this order.
In terms of the order dated 7th of January 2026, the Learned Advocate appearing for the Union of India has placed the copy of the application being CAN 1 of 2025 filed in WPA within bracket P number 237 of 2023, wherein 2023, let the same be kept with the record. The same kept with the record. Full stop. It is submitted by the Learned Counsel for the parties that the Honorable Division Bench has observed that the applications filed by the petitioner for release of the amount can be dealt by this court. Accordingly, full stop.
No, not release of the amount. The division bench observed simpliciter that these are not Manrega matters.
Correct.
And
Release
that
of
is
the
why
amount.
it was 2 years. Not release of the amount. Kali, don't mention that.
Why not? The prayer is that
Yes, that the grievance of the petitioner before this court is not of the Mengra matter, and accordingly.
no. Milord, while kindly excuse, Milord, Learned Solicitor General probably has misled himself. Milord, the division bench said that our prayer for release of the amount does not relate to the state and center's fight. That's the basic thing.
That was not mentioned anywhere.
অর্ডারটা বলি বলে যাবে
হ্যাঁ বোঝা যাবে ভালো ভালো বোঝা যাবে that was never mentioned. Division bench placed it for further hearing.
No, it is these are the petitions wherein the material supplied have been claimed the
Yes.
payment arising of the material supplied by them, whereas the connected bills are the petitions claiming the Mengra wages implementation of the Magna. Thus, these matters may be delinked and may be heard by the
Yes.
appropriate bench.
Those matters,
So this is what is
not this matter. Those are other matters so pending before the court number 1.
correct. So
That's-
this is not before the division bench, but
Yes.
it can be taken up.
I am agreeing.
Okay, क्या बोला? ना केटे दिन full stop. Last मिलना शुरू से
এসজি উত্তেজিত হয়ে পড়ছে এত তাড়াতাড়ি কেন
তুমি অনেক বেশি উত্তেজিত
তুমি এত উত্তেজিত হলো না
পেমেন্ট দেওয়া হচ্ছে না বলে
Entire amount is stopped at the central government without any excuse.
Full stop. Find that.
Not in this matter.
This court find that. This court find that by an order dated 23rd of December 2025. 2025. This court directed the central government to file a report by way of an affidavit. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submit that in the present date application, the petitioners are praying for a direction upon the respondents, particularly the Department of Panchayats and Rural Development, Government of West Bengal. to
Exactly.
immediately release the disbursed pending amount with respect of the material supplied by the petitioners. In view of the above, this court finds that at present it is not required to call for any report from the central government. Let first the state government file the report by way of an affidavit within a period of
3 weeks. also.
within a period of 3 weeks after serving the copy to the Learned Council appearing for the state to the Union of India as well as to the petitioner. Let the matter up within a period of 2 weeks.
3 weeks. also.
Within a period of 3 weeks. Let the petitioner's liberty to take exception to the report, if any, within a week thereafter. Within 1 week or 2 weeks, Mr. Bhattacharya?
1 week, my lord.
Within a week thereafter, list the matter.
So entire scheme is framed by the central government. Entire.
Come. Let the matter appear on 24th of February 2026 under the heading urgent motion.
deeply obliged
Lordship,